David, put your hands up. Okay. Dada.
Mom.
Dada.
Are you weird? Dada.
Dada.
I'm talking to you.
Dada.
I'm talking.
David. Look, Kevin, who's this? Who's this? Say David. Where's David? David. David.
Say mama.
David. Do peekaboo with Dada. Do peekaboo. Go. 1, 2, 3. Do peekaboo. Do it. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. But don't hide your mouth. You have to hide your eyes. Do 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo. Where is it?
And I'm making a missile.
How about?
Peekaboo.
And give me a kiss. Go.
Then here's a broccoli. Here's a broccoli.
Ah, good boy. Nice kisses. Nice.
Can David do it? Let's be Indians. Okay, let's do it loud. Okay, stop.
Lots of Indians. Wow.
Do it again. Do loud.
Hey, mama.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is real intelligent conversation. There you go. There you go. Oh.
Inside of there.
Yeah, talk to him.
No, we can't. You have to talk to him.
You talk to him. Say hi, people inside the camera.
Hi, people inside the camera.
David, what do we say to Kev? How big?
How big are you, baby?
How big? Show him. How big?
So
big. How big, David?
How big are you, baby?
Show him. Show him. How big are you? How big?
I don't know.
Show us how big, Kev.
So
big.
big.
I don't know how
How
big
big?
I am.
How big? How big? So, do both.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Now what did you do?
Say bye.
Big.
Say bye-bye.
Now can I try the video?
Say bye-bye to
Sure.
Dad.
Go ahead, you're on.
No, I want me to video.
No, only mommy and daddy do it.
I'll call.
Okay. Say bye-bye, people in the camera.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Dada. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dada.
Say bye-bye.
Dada.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dada. Say bye-bye. Wave your hand, honey. Gotta show 'em. Wave. Say bye-bye.
Guys.
Hi, Ma. Now, David started to cry a little bit because he wants to go underwater and take his hat off. And I explained to him, if you go underwater, if you start crying, we're going to get salt water in our hot tub.
Oh, gosh.
Because piers have salt water. And if we get salt water, then we're going to start getting sharks and lobsters and crabs.
Oh, no.
And bluefish.
Oh, no.
And
So,
jellyfish.
why didn't you tell everybody why you're in the hot tub today?
Because we got lots of snow today.
How much?
This was the blizzard of '93. We got 15 inches of snow, including some rain, which made the snow very, very heavy. And
David, I need to see you. Give me a kiss. You look so cute.
Mom, I like the hat on.
Oh, I love that hat on you.
Love that hat
You
on.
look so cute in there.
But we can't. We can't.
Did you just go sleigh riding, David?
Yeah.
Tell me where.
No,
Oh, I don't want to talk to you. It's all right.
So, yeah.
I hear Kevin moaning in the other room.
Dad's been shoveling for 6 hours, from 9 o'clock till 3 o'clock, and Mom helped for 2 hours.
Yeah, you know what David said? When you come in, you have to watch Kev.
What's that?
You have to watch Kev.
I have to watch.
Uh-huh.
Why?
So I can go out in the hot tub.
Oh, okay. That's the deal.
That's a deal.
I didn't know you wanted to go.
You and David get to watch Kev.
All right, we can do that. You can go right to your shoulders like this. See? Like this.
Okay, I think I'm going to have to go now because
Wait
it's
for
getting
Mom.
cold in here.
Wait, Mom. Say bye, Mom.
Bye,
Say the
Mom.
blizzard of '93 didn't hold us up.
No. Look at that. Up to your. Let me see. Oh, you're in the well?
We never saw you in the well before.
The mountain's hard and I want to get out.
Do you want to try to climb up our big mountain? Here he goes. Up, 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 up. King of the... Wow, look how high you are. Are you higher than the car?
Yeah, I'm higher than a house.
You are high. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna get you the sled. Okay, hold on. Uh-oh. That's what Kev says. Uh-oh. Get up to the top again, but oh no. Did you slide down the other side? You are having a real tough time, huh? Okay, try to go back up again. Help, help, help! Dun, 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 dun. David, you're so lucky you can walk on top of the snow without sinking in, huh? Like the kitty cats. I can walk on some of the snow and then other snow I sink right in. Can you climb up this mountain from the back? Okay. And we are at the bottom of the street where the plows have dumped all our snow. And I'm gonna show you how high it is. Okay, can you walk over here by the sign? Hold on. Oh no, there he is on Bender Road. He was on Bender Road. Down, 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 down. Okay, this is our 15 inches of snow. Here you go, Dave. You gonna try it one more time? This pile keeps growing and growing and growing. It never gets to melt. We get more snow and it gets bigger and bigger.